For this look, I am using Holo Taco's long-lasting base, Holo Taco's Sweet Tooth, Holo Taco's Rose Gold Flake Taco, Holo Taco's Full Charge RIP you beautiful green linear holographic polish, Maniology's B422 Zinnia stamping polish, Holo Taco's Super Glossy Taco, also retired now so use Glossy Taco instead, and Maniology's M470 stamping plate. Using Holo Taco's long-lasting base, we start by applying a base coat. For our main nails, we're going with soft pink as a base color, shown here using Holo Taco's Sweet Tooth. For full opacity, 2 coats of polish are likely needed. Atop our main nails, for a little pizzazz, I am using Holo Taco's Rose Gold Flake Taco. Finally, we seal the main nails in with a top coat, shown here using Holo Taco's Super Glossy Taco. For an equivalent, use Holo Taco's Glossy Taco instead. For the 2 accent nails, we're going with a green linear holographic polish, shown here using Holo Taco's Full Charge. This polish has, sadly, been retired, and at this time I do not know of a suitable dupe. If you know of one, please let us all know in the comments below. Like the main nails, 2 coats are likely needed for full opacity. Using Maniology's B422 Zinnia stamping polish with their M470 stamping plate, we add a stamped design to each of the accent nails. Finally, we seal the accent nails in with a top coat as well. While the top coat is in 2 separate sections for this video, your ideal timing is to do the top coat all together for all of your nails. Voila! Enjoy your manicure.